Oh boy. If you don't know your multiplication facts, you are not going to like this lesson. All right, here is where we're going to take apart and then put back together. Kind of like a puzzle, okay? So check this out. Yeah, it gets kind of serious. All right, now I have been beating you up saying length times width times height, volume, over and over and over. And you have multiplied. All right? So, what is special about today is I want you to come up with how many ways, how many different possibilities you can move your numbers to get the same volume. All right, in this case here, we're going to say volume is equal to 24. I took my 24s and I, did them in factor trees. I'm going to break them. 1 times 24, 24. 2 times 12, 24. 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 6, 24. 6 times 4, 24. Oh, what do you notice? It starts to flip, okay? So the numbers that we use, here's our number line right here, or our possibilities. 1 times 24, yes. 2 times 12, yes. So here's what I'm going to do for you so you can even see it better. I'm going to go 1 times 24, yes. 2 times 12, yes. 3 times 8, yes. 4 times 6, yes. All right? You can see how the different number combinations go. But you can only use 3 numbers. 3 numbers is all you're allowed to use to get your 24. And so, here we go. Remember, different possibilities to make it. You just need 3. So, I know, if I look at these numbers, and because I know my numbers, I could say 1 times 2 times 12. Okay? Oops. Didn't mean to cut through my number there. Okay, that's one possibility right there. Because 2 times 12 is 24. 24 times 1. Yes, that is one I can use. Ooh, I could also go 1 times 4 times 6. Why? Because I know 4 times 6 is 24. I also could go, let's see. If I don't want to use just ones, I could use a 2. Okay, I could say 2 times 3 times 4. Why can I do that? Because if I know my math facts, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to move this over some more. V equal 24. Alright, so I was using ones, I used a 2, I could use a 3 because I could say 3 times 2 is 6 and 6 times 4 is 24. What did I do? I reversed those, and then after 4 I could use, or after 3 I could use a 4 and say 4, okay, 4 times what? 4 times 6, so I can put a 2 here or a 3. If I put a 2 there, then I have to put a 3 here. Alright? So, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different possibilities for making 24. What you have to do is break it apart. Look at what you can do. 1 times 24, 2 times, or bleh, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8. So we break it apart and then we see, oh, hey, it flips. So then I do my chart like this. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Oh, and then I have to remember I can only use 3 numbers. So I'm going to pick the easiest number and say, okay, that's 2 times 12 times 1. 4 times 6 times 1. Oh, I could go 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4. 3 times 2 is 6 times 4. Or I could put my 4 here. 4 times 2 times 3. three numbers, these combinations of numbers, and you're only allowed to use three, and it must equal 24. Yeah. If you don't know what you're... you gotta know how to break them apart and what times what is the number you're looking for.